Welcome to this guided meditation on the power of allowing. Today, we will focus on releasing resistance, trusting the universe, and opening ourselves to receiving the blessings that are meant for us. Find a quiet and a comfortable place where you can sit or lie down without distractions. Close your eyes gently and take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Now, let's begin. Take a moment to connect with your breath. Breathe in deeply through your nose. Hold for a moment and exhale fully through your mouth. Let's do that 2 more times. Inhale deeply. Fill your stomach. Hold and exhale. 1 more time. Breathe in, hold, and let it all go. Feel the rhythm of your natural breath now. No need to control it. Just observe as the air moves in and out of your body. Notice how your chest rises and falls with each breath. Allow yourself to sink deeper into relaxation. Bring your attention to your body, starting at the top of your head. Notice if you are holding any tension. Relax your forehead, your eyes, your jaw. Let your shoulder drop away from your ears. Move your awareness to your arms and hands. Feel them getting heavy and soft. Let your chest open up, your stomach relax, and your hips feel supported. Now focus on legs. Let them feel grounded and at ease. Finally, allow your feet to connect deeply with the surface beneath you, as if you are rooted to the earth. With each exhale, feel yourself letting go of any remaining tension. Now, imagine standing in the middle of the beautiful open field. The sky above you is vast and clear, stretching endlessly. This sky represents the infinite possibilities the universe holds for you. As you stand there, you notice a gentle breeze around you, carrying away any worries or doubts you may have. With every breath, imagine yourself releasing any resistance, fear, or negative thoughts into this breeze. Visualize your heart space now. A warm, glowing light radiates from it. This light is your willingness to allow. It symbolizes trust, surrender, and faith. With every inhale, this light grows brighter, and with every exhale, it expands outward, filling the space around you. Now, silently repeat these affirmations to yourself, or say them out loud if you feel comfortable. I trust the timing of the universe. I allow myself to receive the blessings that are meant for me. I let go of the need to control and open myself to infinite possibilities. I am worthy of abundance, love, and joy. Feel each word sink into your being, becoming a part of your energy. Let these affirmations settle into your heart as you continue to breathe deeply and effortlessly. Now take a moment to release any remaining tension or resistance. Picture yourself placing all your worries, doubts, or need for control into a balloon. Watch as the balloon floats higher and higher, carrying away everything you have been holding to. As the balloon disappears into the sky, feel a sense of relief and freedom. You are now fully open to allowing the universe to work its magic in your life. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel gratitude for this moment of peace and connection. Know that by practicing the art of allowing, you are creating a space for all that you desire to flow effortlessly in your life. When you are ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing awareness back to your body. Slowly open your eyes, carrying this feeling of trust and openness with you to the rest of your day. Thank you for sharing this time with me. Remember, you are deserving, and everything you see is seeking you as well. Namaste.